Welcome to Swaarm's Tip of the Month. This time we're covering Explorer Grid View. We're going to go over to Explorer. This is your dynamic, easy to use, drag and drop reporting tool. Explorer has many capabilities, including different charts and tables to see your data. First, let's drag and drop our publisher ID and publisher sub ID into the split. Next, we'll grab actual paid conversions for our measure, and we'll filter the last 30 days. Here in the table view, you have different views to choose from, like line chart, bar chart, and heat map. If we choose line chart, we'll split on time instead and add publisher ID again. It's a nice visual appealing chart as well as the bar chart. However, there is one more that not a lot of people know about. It's called the grid view. Whereas in the default table view, it's limited by its nested capabilities, we can go ahead and choose grid view and not be limited and see all the data at once. It's also familiar and easy to use. Go ahead and try it out next time you use Explorer. That's it for this tip of the month. See you in the next.